Okay guys, welcome to Opa Ray's driveway. Actually we're on the sidewalk, but anyway. This is the Tesla air pump version 3.0. It costs 110. It's an improvement on what the previous air pump is, I guess. It sure seems a lot simpler. Let's get into it. Alright, this one runs off the 12 volt outlet as well. 12 volt outlet's plugged in, ready to go. Alright, here's the air pump. The power is plugged in. It shows 00 psi. It's not plugged in. It's not attached to the valve stem yet. Let's attach it to the valve stem. Yeah, you probably can't see that because it's flashing, but it says 0.0 psi. Okay, we have the hose hooked up to our valve stem. It's a screw in, so it's, I guess it depends how you feel about it, right? I personally prefer the screw ins because then you make sure you get the contact you need for it to work. Here's the pump. It shows I have 38.4. Just press the button and off it goes. All right, there we go. 42. Was it supposed to be 41? 42. I always remember 42, but actually it might be supposed to be 41. Anyway, it's that easy to use. We'll go further from there. Okay, just to make sure we get it straight, it is 42 psi max. Okay, so this is a little container that holds the electrical cord. Okay, with that, the electrical cord's back in its little container. This is the cover that's supposed to slide on top of the container, but I find that it's somewhat difficult to work, so if you don't really need to put on the cover, don't put it on. And there's the cover back on. I think once you use it once or twice, it gets a little easier to work with. The first time I just pried it off with a screwdriver and then found out what the instructions are trying to tell me. But anyway, and the hose gets put back into the the curve or hole that goes around the top of the case. Okay, there you go, all put away. Is it worth it? I don't know. I mean, you can buy the slime compressor for like 45 bucks or something like that at Walmart. I mean, I've used this pump twice. I've used my previous Tesla pump 3 or 4 times. So it seems like a bit much, but when you have a flat, you have to do something, right? So that's what this is about. But if you really want to have Tesla articles in your Tesla, this is the way to go.